This is an acrylic tub that the homeowner tried to repair themselves. It's been leaking into the basement for about a year. What we're going to do is we're going to cut out the bad section, reinforce it, repair it, and cover with a new acrylic coating. We've now cut out the bad acrylic and the repair, and we're going to dry out the underside to remove the water. The crack has now been injected and filled. Um, it'll be a very hard surface. We'll sand it, refill it, and then we'll put an acrylic top coat on it.